could you lay out a few plans? Conservative, aggressive to grow my Bitcoin and ETH bag this year. Still 30% in deficit. And the next ARB Cloud Bitcoin for MicroStrategy swap will come. Hesitating to swap some Bitcoin or ETH for Tesla, Microsoft, Nvidia on these high levels, and calm July, August ahead. So this is a very involved question, and the markets really determine what we do. That's why we have the tools. Let's look at how you can increase your bag using ARB Cloud. Some people are easily increasing their bag size by 30% a quarter. This tells you kind of when to swap Bitcoin, say for MicroStrategy, and then swap MicroStrategy for Bitcoin. It works like clockwork. It's a simple little thing, very fun tool. So that's one you could use. The other one would be IDSS. Oh, excuse the typo, but you can double your bag, pair trading. Here, this again is MicroStrategy for Tesla. And as you know, I did swap Bitcoin into Tesla. I have not yet swapped it back, but here is an example of where you can sell MicroStrategy for Tesla down the bottom with the little buy signal. And it's a pair trading chart. This is the chart of Tesla over MicroStrategy. And at the very top, you have your sell signal. That's when you sell Tesla for MicroStrategy. And these things happen. These opportunities present themselves like clockwork. And remember, you never go broke making profits, even if you do have to pay taxes. But do keep an eye on the taxes and short-term capital gains, because in some places they can be quite onerous. But when you have a retirement account, you can do this all day long, and it's fun.